New update makes Claude 10x more powerful. What if Claude could actually run your business while you sleep? Not just answer questions, not just write emails, actually do the work. Anthropic just dropped something huge and almost nobody's talking about it yet. This one update changes everything about how small businesses can use AI. And if you miss this, you'll be left behind in the next 30 days. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their work. The next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what this new update does, the 15 ready-to-run workflows that come with it, and the one feature inside it that could save you hours every single week. Stick with me, because I'm also going to show you the exact tasks you should try first, and the mistake most people make when they first connect their tools to Claude. Let's get into it. So here's what just happened. On May 13th, 2026, Anthropic launched something called Claude for Small Business. And the reason this is such a big deal is because up until now, AI has mostly helped big companies. All business owners have been stuck using AI through a chat window. You type a question, Claude gives you an answer. You copy it. You paste it somewhere else. It's helpful, but it doesn't really fit how small businesses actually work. Claude for Small Business changes that completely. Instead of you bouncing between Claude and all your other tools, Claude now lives inside the tools you already use every single day. QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack. Connected, working together. And Claude can actually do the work across all of them, not just chat about it. Quick context in case you're new here. Claude is the AI assistant built by Anthropic. It's known for being really good at long, complex tasks and for being safer and more accurate than most other AI tools. Most small business owners I talk to are only using maybe 10% of what Claude can actually do. They open it up, they ask a question, close it, that's it. And they have no idea Claude can now connect to their entire business stack and run full workflows for them. So let me show you how this actually works. You go into something called Claude Cowork, which is the desktop version of Claude built for getting real work done. You toggle on Claude for Small Business. You connect the tools you already use. Then you just pick a job. You tell Claude what you want done. Claude does the work. And here's the part I love. You approve everything before it actually sends, posts, or pays. So you stay in control the whole time. Nothing happens without you saying yes. This is the kind of setup we've been mapping out inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Imagine a coach using Claude Cowork to handle their weekly client reporting on autopilot with everything queued up Monday morning ready for approval. That's the kind of workflow this update unlocks. Now let's get into the features. Claude for Small Business ships with 15 ready-to-run workflows. These are not just little prompts. They're full, end-to-end processes that pull data from your tools, do the work, and hand it back to you to approve. Plus, it includes 15 skills built around the exact tasks small business owners said slow them down the most. Let me walk you through what you get right out of the box. First one is planning payroll with confidence. Claude pulls your cash position from QuickBooks, checks your incoming PayPal settlements, builds a 30-day forecast, ranks what's overdue, and it drafts the reminder emails for you to approve and send. That in one workflow. Picture a small agency owner running this every 2 weeks before payroll instead of manually pulling reports from 3 different tools. The next big one is closing the month. If you've ever done a monthly close, you know it's a nightmare. You're matching transactions, flagging things that don't match, writing a plain English summary for your accountant. Claude does all of that, reconciles your books against your PayPal settlements, flags anything weird, writes a clean P&L narrative, and it exports a close packet you can forward straight to your accountant through QuickBooks. This is exactly the kind of workflow a member of the AI Profit Boardroom could map out once and run every single month after that. Another one I really like is the morning brief. Every Monday, Claude pulls your cash position from QuickBooks, incoming settlements from PayPal, your sales pipeline movement from HubSpot, and your calendar for the week. Puts it all on one page and tells you the 3 things that need your attention today. Imagine starting every week with that brief sitting in your Slack. No more digging through 5 different tools to figure out where you stand. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, this is the kind of brief we'd help a member customize so it matches exactly how they run their week.